Welcome this video. Cover patio design idea on a budget. A cover patio can be your personal retreat, a place of unwind, entertain guests, or simple enjoy outdoor well-being productive for the elements. Must decoration if it do not have to break the bank with a big of creates bright and clean use of surface. You can transforming your patio into a style and comfortable space without long or some budget friendly cover patio decoration idea to get your start. Functional with patio furniture with patio palette wood is a influencing size and versatile metal idea for outdoor furniture. With a few tools, you can build a rustic parasol, a coffee table with wall mounted shade for decor and palette. Palette the patio to match your patio color scheme. Add outdoor choosing for comfort and color. This appear save money while add and personal handmade touch. Outdoor range to define space. An outdoor range can pull the patio together, add warmth and style. You can find affordable at discount or even mark your own ring. Still light and embrace. Light play a choosy role in create a choosy atmosphere. Still light and fit light are an corrected beauty away to light up your core part.